First, we're gonna draw a horizontal line at about armpit height. Now this line should almost reach from side to side of your body, but not quite. From the ends of this line, we're going to draw down, but lean out just a little bit so we can reach from this point to the waistline, okay? Once we reach the waist, we're going to angle out again just a little bit more and come down to create this nice bell shape. Once you have this drawn to the length that you want, just draw a curved hem, again horizontal like this, to connect the two sides. Erase anything in the middle if you can, if you've hand drawn this, and if not, you can just sketch over your outline again to make it a little bit darker so it stands away from the figure in the background, and voila! You have the front drawn of your overall dress. If you don't have a figure to sketch on, don't worry, this shape is so simple, you really can just sketch it by itself like I'm doing here. So once we have the outline done, then it's time to start adding details. Really quick, if you'd like to sketch the back of this design as well, you can do that super easy. The only difference between the back and the front is that this first horizontal line that we're going to draw is much shorter on the back. Then we're going to connect this shorter line to the waist using these curved lines, make the same bell shape on the bottom, curved hem, and then erase if you need to, or just darken the outline, okay? So this is how you sketch the outline of the front and the back. Now on to the details. For the straps, we have three options. For the first one, attaching with buttons, we're going to draw the straps first. So to do this, we're just going to draw a line coming out of the top left corner of our overall dress, coming up, drawing this little curve to make it look a little more dimensional, and then coming back down to make this nice little rectangle. We're gonna repeat this on the right side and then draw in these really cute little buttons. Easy, okay? The second option is to use overall closures. Now to draw this, we're gonna start with the button. Once we draw the button, we're gonna draw two C's right above it. Then on top of the C, we're gonna draw half of an oval. And this is not gonna get connected yet because now we're going to add a strap. And that strap rectangle is going to connect all of this and make it look just like an overall closure. Now we're gonna repeat this on the other side, and the last thing we need to do to finish this is to draw in these little rectangles, and those are the adjusters. How cute is this? The third option you have is to simply tie the end of the straps to the front of the dress. Now to draw this, we're going to start by drawing a strap coming out of the top corner of our dress. So we're going to draw it coming down like this. Then we're going to round the top of the strap and then draw this big fat C all the way around to make the knot. Out of the knot, we're going to draw our usual strap. Repeat on the other side, and there you have it, all three options. On the front of your overall dress, you can leave it clean, simple, chic, or you could add some other details to change up the vibe of the dress. The first option you have to add is a button placket. Now to draw this, you're just going to draw two straight lines down the front of the dress and then draw a couple of circles in between those lines. The other option you have is to add a zipper, and this makes it look very 70s, very Austin Powers, and I love it. Now to draw the zipper, you're going to draw a thick black line right down the middle, And then at the top of the line, draw a long triangle or a circle for the zipper tab. Okay? So easy. Besides closures, you can also add pockets to change the vibe of your dress. Now, the three main styles of pockets that I see are the really big pocket right on the front, drawn just whatever shape you want right here. The other option are these two front patch pockets. And again, these can be any shape you want. I just like this shape. And then finally, you could do something that looks like a jean pocket on the side of your dress. And if you're wanting that, you can draw it like this. You're just gonna take these lines from the top of the dress, draw them down a little extra, and then hook them with these little curves over to the side. Then you can shade in that little pocket area to show that it's a different layer of fabric. You can mix and match any of the elements that we've talked about in this video to create your very own custom design. You can just play around with this, or you can use an inspiration picture. And when you're finished, you should end up with something like this.